sub-themes, software apps and transport. My experiment name is Sensor Automatic Railway Gate System. My guide teacher name is Nagesh sir and Firoz sir. India has the largest railway gate system and it requires a large number of manpower also. In India, still today at some places there is unmanned railway gate system which causes many accidents. For this problem, we thought one solution, that is automatic railway gate system. For this project, we used the following materials: Arduino board, breadboard, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, LED, servo motor and the wires. While train is going, the ultrasonic send message to the buzzer, LED and servo motor, and the servo motor slowly close the gate. While train is crossing, the another ultrasonic sensor send the message to the servo motor, and the servo motor slowly opens the gate. We may have to cause stopping of accidents. There is no possible of coming vehicles in between railway tracks, so the train can move possibly. We may have to cause stopping of accidents. There is no possible of coming vehicle in between railway tracks, so the train can move possibly. We save our economy.